Sup guys, we're back with another video. This is game 2, but the other one was game 1. So yeah, oh yeah, I forgot Queen K right here, so get ready to be played. So I'm gonna need y'all to help me pick a character. So what I'm about to do is pick a character. Which one should I choose? Let me see. Should I get Lucy, Tasha, or I don't know, because the rest of these people might be new. Tricky. Sure, I don't know. I might try the other girl, but I don't know where she is. So she might be somewhere. Oh, here she is. Either Tasha, Tricky, or Lucy, or... So I might go for Lucy. Select her. Go back to the menu and play.
Hey, is this y'all?
Get it. And they still running after him. Why? You knew you was gonna get caught right away. Let's go again. This bitch. She's so little, she can't even run faster. She gonna be running faster. Oh my gosh. But yeah. I don't, You mean, wow. Really? I'm about to pick another one, cause this little bitch right here. Either her or them shoes she got on. I don't know, cause I don't know how she be running and doing all that. Give me that. Nope. I do not run no running boots. What the heck, you keep getting them shoes, and then yet you get. That is it. She going up for this. Shit, I don't care. And she still got them on. It makes no sense. She better not get run over nothing. Come to mama. Where them coins at? Give me them coins. Oh. Come to mama. Yes. Come to mama. Sila. I should have caught that. Woo! Keys, keys. Give me them keys, keys. Them trains trying to come for me, y'all. Y'all better get them. Wow. How you did that? How do you do that? This little bitch. That's a darn shame. 18,666. That's not bad. And then the coins I got were 321 coins I got. That's how much I got. So, anyways, Doom, it's a good game. So, again, want y'all just like, comment, and share it. Please do so. Subscribe, please. Don't make me have to say it again. I just bought my